On the night of 31st March 2024, a powerful storm wreaked havoc in several villages across Meghalaya, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Among the affected was Mawroh Village, situated under the Mairang C RD Block, where tragedy struck the Lawrinniang family. 3-year-old Wiki Lawrinniang, a resident of the village, tragically lost his life when the cyclonic storm demolished their home. He was rushed to the hospital around 11 p.m. but succumbed to his injuries shortly thereafter. In response to the crisis, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma addressed the media today, announcing decentralized relief efforts to expedite assistance to affected communities. By empowering deputy commissioners in each district, the state government aims to swiftly deliver aid to those grappling with the aftermath of this natural disaster.
All the deputy commissioners have already been asked to immediately take necessary steps, and as a policy measure, last year we had taken steps to decentralize the implementation of the relief process, and so now the deputy commissioners do not have to come to the state for any kind of clearance, and they can take steps independently, decentralized at their own level in terms of distribution of basic relief material, as well as different housing support, for example CGI sheets to be distributed. Those freedom has been given and funds have been given to the deputy commissioners, and just this morning also the Chief Secretary has taken a review of the entire situation and I've been updated, and we have given them the next 24 hours to 48 hours in which we expect them to complete the entire relief process. So we are on the job, and we are ensuring, as I said, by ensuring the entire policy is decentralized now, that entire implementation decentralized, that now deputy commissioners can take steps at that level.